It's also very nice today on the 21st of March 2025. And we have Johan Bockin, kuja 6 teksti, Johan Bockin teksti here. And the mod built in 10 has two series 1 from the same year built in 1990 here. December is 442, 277, and capacity is 4.5 grams. So building 10 you can also watch the 2 series 1 here. It's also in Pukinmäki, Pukinmäki is Porsche, also in Finland. Let's try to nice one. And also 2-speed traction for your straight close.
Yeah. Niistä tippaakin mä äsken tänne teppasin.
I like the sound of small.
Same here.
That's it. That's right. We should take a seat as well.
That's